What exactly do you get from a $70 2-channel amplifier? Exactly what you pay for, and what's that? The Boss Riot R6002 is a Class AB 2-channel amplifier. And what if I told you this sucker gives you power at 50 cents per watt? Would you be interested? This Riot amplifier comes with a remote bass control for quick adjustments up front, and a speaker high-level input harness for easy connection to your head unit. The amplifier works in either 2-channel or monoblock operation for bridging a single subwoofer. The lowest impedance accepted by this Riot amplifier is 2 ohms, but that is in stereo only. Boss rates this amplifier's power as 225 watts RMS by 2 channels at 4 ohms, 450 watts RMS by 2 channels at 2 ohms, and 900 watts RMS bridged at 4 ohms. 900 watts RMS? Okay, boss, let's take a peek under the hood and test this for ourselves. The first test we ran was single channel driven at 4 ohms, 40 hertz, 14.49 volts. We got a clean waveform using our phonic PAAX as a tone generator at -6 dB. 73 watts RMS on the SMD, 17.95 volts of output on the Lumi while drawing 9.48 amps of current, and 81.36 watts RMS of output on our HP 8903B audio analyzer with 0.138% distortion. Next, single channel driven at 4 ohms, 1 kilohertz, 14.5 volts. We got a clean waveform at -5 dB. Our SMD picked up 76 watts RMS, 20.02 volts of output on the Lumi while drawing 10.19 amps of current, and 100 watts RMS on our HP with 2.0% distortion. Going down to -6 dB, distortion dropped to 1.64% and RMS dipped to 82.45 watts. Third test, 2 channels driven at 4 ohms, 1 kilohertz, 14.43 volts. We got a clean waveform at -5 dB. Our SMD picked up 70 watts RMS, 19.70 volts of output on the Lumi, drawing 19.06 amps of current, and 96.73 watts RMS on our HP with 3.93% distortion. Going down to -6 dB, distortion dropped to 0.174% and RMS went to 82.36 watts. Fourth test, 2 channels at 4 ohms, 40 hertz, 14.44 volts. We got a clean waveform at -6 dB. Our SMD picked up 70 watts RMS, 17.89 volts of output on the Lumi while drawing 17.82 amps of current, and 80.55 watts RMS on our HP with 1.15% distortion. Going down to -7 dB, distortion dropped to 0.14%, and the RMS went to 64.8 watts. Our final test was frequency response, which it nailed to perfection. Overall, this Riot R6002 isn't a bad amplifier. Boss just overrated it. So it's not quite a boss, but more like a mid-level manager. I retire, I'm never writing another joke again. Don't forget, it's $70. It'll do a fine job powering mid-level aftermarket speakers. Dimensions of the amplifier are 12.28 inches in length, 10.44 inches in width, and 2¼ inches in height. As stated before, the R6002 comes with a high speaker level harness to connect to your factory audio system when RCAs aren't available, or simply use the RCA low level inputs with your aftermarket radio that has RCA preamp outputs. For adjustments, you get input level control, 0 to +18 dB bass boost, a fixed high pass crossover at 200 hertz. Why 200? This is a perfect amp for component speakers, but I'ma need my mid bass. Wow, that was a weird choice, boss. And finally, a low pass filter between 35 and 160 hertz. Let's not forget the remote bass control to adjust bass levels on the fly. The amp also has green and red LED indicators for power and protect. Use the speaker terminals to wire your speakers or to bridge a subwoofer. The unit has 2 25 amp fuses built in, plus it comes with an extra pair. And Boss recommends a minimum of 8 gauge power and ground wire. Check out our amplifier installation kits online, link in the bio. Be sure to go to qualitymobilevideo.com to get all of your car audio and video gear with us today. Links for everything below in the video bio. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and click that like button, but if you hated it, click the dislike button. Join the conversation below and subscribe to our channel if you're new. Thanks for watching.